Let's prove the vector dot product in Cartesian coordinates. So we'll first write both of these vectors in Cartesian coordinates. Where theta f is the angle between the force vector and the horizontal axes. And similarly for the vector d, so theta d is the angle between the vector d and the horizontal axes. And by one of the definitions of the dot product, we multiply the x and y components and sum them together. So for the x components, and multiplying the y components, and now we can factor out the product of the magnitudes of both vectors. And using our trig identity, we obtain the following expression. So theta f minus theta d is theta, which is the angle between the two vectors.